The given figure, this figure, is triangle OAC congruent to triangle OBD. Let's see. Here in the figure, angle AOC equals to BOD, right? Why? Vertically opposite angles. So they are always congruent. That is 20 degrees. In triangle OAC, here in triangle OAC, OAC plus ACO plus COA means sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So what do you know? OAC we have to find out. Remaining two we know. So 60 plus 20, 80, 80 on this side. So it becomes 180 minus 80, 100. So OAC becomes 100 now. Similarly, consider for triangle BOD and you can find out BOBD means this angle OBD equals to 100. Same logic. I am not getting into it again. So in triangle OAC and OBD, now whatever is the scene, OAC equals to OBD equals to 100. OAC, OBD 100, right? Then AC equals to BD. AC equals to BD given. Where is it given? It's given in the figure. It's marked as same, so it is given. It need not be stated in the question. Then ACO equals to BDO equals to 60. ACO BDO equals to 60. So what has happened? This angle is congruent, this side is congruent, this angle is congruent. So which is this test? ASA. See this. ASA test, right? Angle, side, angle. Two angles and one side between them in two triangles are congruent.